former presidential spokesperson Harry Roque denies any involvement in Pogo operations. Now, this comes after documents bearing his signatures were found in a raid of a Pogo hub in Porac, Pampanga. Roque says the papers were just appointment records of his former executive assistant, Albert De La Serna. According to the former palace spokesperson, De La Serna served as his IT staff who managed his social media accounts. He adds that De La Serna, who was a former male pageant contestant, came from a political party. O family, rather. Oo, napanood ko yung binigay niyang pahayag na yan ni former spokesperson Harry Roque.
Yeah.
Galing nga daw ito sa political family at may mga background, nakapagtapos ang pag-aaral, may background sa IT, etc. Dahil tinutuligsa siya ngayon ng netizen, ano?
Yes.
Dahil nakita nga dun sa document containing na
May link.
May link siya pero wala naman daw criminal. So,
Just that, in other words, may link of affinity dahil magkakilala.
Oo. Kumbaga sabi nga nila, as of now, wala pang criminal liability yung document na nakita nila. But ang sinasabi ng netizen, of course, nagsama siya ng EA, pero 'di ba, anong ginawa doon?
Yeah,
yun ang ng mga netizen. Kasi ang kanyang dahilan is meron siyang coronary stent and diabetic siya. Kailangan niya ng assistant with him.
Well, you cannot take away yung pagkakahaka ng mga netizens. It's because, of course, there's an ongoing issue ngayon with regards to yung politics, di ba? You have si Harry Roque, former spokesperson of former President Rodrigo Duterte, who brought in not really brought in, but who naglaganap ang Pogo hubs during his time, di ba? And all of a sudden, things like this are happening left and right. So, syempre madaming conspiracy theories out there na ididikit-dikit lahat yung mga ano na yan.
Sabi niya, baka sakali daw, baka doon tumira yung dati. Kasi dati niyang kliyente, yung isang kumpanya doon, na nalilink ngayon sa Pogo Hub sa Porac, Pampanga. So sabi niya, yung isang kliyente niya, may mga papeles. Nakita kasi yung letter niya na nag-request ng visa para nga dito sa kanyang former EA.